Every game-changing new service needs a great experience. Because over 80% of consumer and business buyers say the experience a company provides is as important as the things it creates. That's why at Capgemini, we're exploring all the technology that can enhance the experience across every touchpoint, across all the senses. Delivering exceptional experiences can help you improve customer satisfaction, simplify dashboards, reduce costs to serve, deliver higher revenue per employee, and increase employee retention, both for consumer and business to business. For B2C, take this app we've developed to help broadband customers install a new router. Using augmented reality on their device, they can identify what each part does. The technology highlights exactly where each cable connects, minimizing confusion, simplifying what can be a tricky process. When things don't work, AI sends links to help documents or video walkthroughs, enabling customers to self-serve, delivering an excellent experience tailored to their own environment. For B2B, our smart service solution can revolutionize workflow for service engineers. A secure app on their phone or tablet puts all the information they need in the palm of their hand. Location and travel details, the parts and equipment, step-by-step guides, plus any safety measures required. All this is saved on the device in case there's no data connection on location. On-site, the agent can use augmented reality technology with the camera to look up and identify parts. Artificial intelligence indicates possible causes of the defect. Using virtual headsets, they can project the training content directly onto the job at hand. If they need further assistance, they can connect with other technicians who can help with step-by-step guidance in mixed reality mode. Smart Service ensures the job is completed in a single visit, bringing the business back on track. Capgemini delivers Smart Service across platforms with our partners. Let us empower your customers and technicians. Build confidence in your brand. And make your service experiences more immersive.